I've been getting asked a lot how I'm making the small dots in my videos and what tools I'm using. So here we go, guys. So this is the smallest tool that comes in the set of nail dotting tools. And this is the new tool that I've been using in my videos. And as you can see, it's about half the size. I want to put a link to this in my bio of my Instagram. And you can see that once I go to make the dots, this is the small end of the dotting tool compared to this, and it's about half the size. So I've really been enjoying using this tool. I'm gonna do a couple of swipes for you guys for comparison. Both of these swipes are done with the small end. And yeah, it's just a really great and handy tool. Now, I use other things as well, and I like to use the wooden skewer a lot in my videos. And as you can see, it is the same size as my new tool. The issue with this tool, though, is that over time that paint builds up, the dots get larger. So I'm constantly having to shave it down and to make the point smaller, but I can make the point really small if I want and make even smaller dots than I was making. So as you can see, now I'm about half the size of that new dotting tool. So it's a really good tool to have to make small dots. I also use paint brushes. This is the same size brush. All I've done is over time, as those hairs start going crazy, I cut them off and then I made them shorter. Now my paint is not right for doing brush dots, but you get the idea of it's the same size as the skewer. Another question I get asked is, what is the yellow thing that I'm using in my videos? It's just a sponge. I use it to elevate the pendants closer to me, and I use it for my stones if I need to paint the bottoms or the sides, and I don't want my dots to get smashed. It's spinning on a Lazy Susan. This is designed for like cupcakes and cookies, and I found it off of Amazon. I'll put a link of that in my bio as well because I get asked a lot about that. And for my canvases, I just use a larger one, and both of these were really inexpensive and off of Amazon. So I hope that helps, guys.